Hello and welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here at Andheri West right beside the Infinity Mall, and I'm here with another new exciting project codenamed One Lux by the Veena developers, which is the most awaiting luxury residential project. If you are someone who's looking for a full-fledged luxury lifestyle in the heart of Mumbai, so this is the project you definitely need to check out. In this video, we are going to discuss project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. The project comes with a standalone tower with an elevation of ground plus 35 floors, which comes with a 3 basement plus 2 high street retail plus 4 podium. The 6th is your E-deck and the 7th is the first habitable floor. And also this project comes with a MyVille construction. And let's start with a quick overview of the project. Codename One Lux, which is currently under construction, and this project is spread approx 1 acres of land parcel. And the best part is the layout is Vastu compliant and even customizable. This project offers you 4 BHK duplex and penthouses. And if we talk about the location advantages, this project is strategically located on Link Road, which gives you excellent connectivity like Infinity Mall is just 2 minutes away, Lower Oshiwara Metro Station is just 3 minutes away, upcoming Metro Line 6 is around 2 minutes, and the upcoming Coastal Road access will be just about 15 minutes. So travel wise, lifestyle wise, and shopping wise, you are literally in the middle of everything. And talking about the amenities, this project offers you world-class amenities, fully equipped gym, indoor games room, a multi-purpose hall, and a dedicated senior citizen area. There is also a children's play zone. And if we talk about pricing and configuration, 4 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 1700 square feet to 1800 square feet, price starting from 8.91 crore all inclusive. The duplex with a carpet area starting from 3000 plus square feet, price starting from 25 crore onwards, and the penthouse with the carpet area starting from 4000 plus square feet, price starting from 30 crore onwards. And talking about the developer behind the project, so this project is brought to you by the Veena developers, which is known for its quality construction, timely delivery, premium high quality developments. So now let's take a look at this 4 BHK sample flat of codename One Lux, which will help you to understand the real space and the luxury this project offers you. So as we step inside, the first thing you will notice here how spacious and wide entrance is, which is straight opens up into the living area. So this project comes in a butterfly layout and the floor to ceiling height is 10.5. So this is the luxurious living room of this project, which comes with an attached balcony, and you get here this view. This attached deck is a highlight. You get a nice open skyline view, which is perfect for morning, evenings, and for just relaxing. And this attached deck is the highlight of this project. You get the nice open skyline, which is perfect for morning, evening, or just for relaxing. And right next to this living area, you get the dining area over here, which is perfect for 6 to 8 members, and it is really well planned and spacious. So right next to this, you also get here the stylish bar space, which is perfect for family gatherings or for entertaining guests, which really adds a nice lifestyle touch to this whole living area. And now let's take a look at this first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, which comes with an attached washroom. The washroom comes with high quality sanitary fittings, sleek glass partition, and a premium tiles that add a modern luxury feel. Also, you get the nice wardrobe space over here. By the way, this project offers you blank canvas apartment, so you can customize it as per your own preference. So this is the kids room. Also, you get the nice space over here. You can keep here the side table or for the wardrobe. Now let's take a look at the second bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which looks truly luxurious, which is open, bright, and very well planned, which also gives you this floor to ceiling height window, which is perfect for natural light and cross ventilation. Also, there is enough space for your king size bed and for the side table, and also this bedroom comes with an attached washroom. Also, you get here the jacuzzi as well. So you get here built-in jacuzzi that turns your master bedroom into your own private spa, perfect for unwinding, relaxing, or truly enjoying your space. This master bedroom gives you exactly what luxury living should look like. You get here generous space, seamless layout, and a calm premium ambience that elevate your everyday comfort. Also, you get here the space to get ready, and this place also comes with a floor to ceiling height window, which gives you natural light, and there is enough space for your wardrobe area. So now let's take a look at the kitchen. So this is your kitchen, which is really well planned and there is enough space for the storage, and you also get the built-in fridge over here. So the kitchen comes with a 2-counter layout, which makes the space really easy to work in. You get dedicated area for cooking and a separate counter for preparation, keeping everything organized and clutter-free. Now let me show you another bedroom. But first, take a look at this common bathroom. This is well designed with branded fittings, stylish tiles and a clean contemporary finish throughout. So now let me show you this third bedroom, which also comes with an attached washroom over here. So this is your third bedroom, which is perfect for your guests. And this bedroom also comes with this large floor-to-ceiling height window, which gives you supernatural light and the ventilation. The space really feels very bright, airy and super spacious. Also, you get here the dedicated wardrobe zone over here. So now let me show you the last bedroom. So this is your last bedroom, which also comes with an attached floor-to-ceiling height that gives you nice, beautiful Mumbai skyline view. And this is the perfect space for your TV unit. And look at the space. Also, this bedroom also comes with this attached washroom. So the fittings are premium, the tiles are modern, and the overall space feels very clean and elegant. The design is minimal yet luxurious, matching the feel of the entire home. Also, you get the wardrobe space over here. So this was the 4 BHK sample flat of codename One Lux. So if you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discounts, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property updates.